Let me show you how we can fix Wi-Fi issues on OnePlus 15R. So if you cannot connect to Wi-Fi properly or you have some issues with Wi-Fi, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, and the first thing that you should check is of course the AirPlay mode. Sometimes it can be enabled by accident and we might not even be aware of that option being on, so make sure that it is off. Besides that, we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. You can simply turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on in order to refresh the Wi-Fi. And then in here we should also be able to go to, let's say, the settings of your network, and you can make sure that it is the auto connect option is enabled, which might be useful, especially if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting after some time and your phone doesn't want to reconnect to that network. And in some other cases, you can also just forget the network completely and try to connect to the Wi-Fi again. Or if you don't have it in here in Safe Networks, you can tap on these three dots and open the settings. And then in here, go to Safe Networks, and you should be able to find the network here so you can forget it and try to connect one more time. If you have Wi-Fi QR code of your network, then I can recommend you using the QR code scanner. So you can scan the QR code of your Wi-Fi network in order to connect to it without having to look for the network and without having to enter the password. You can also go to Wi-Fi Assistant, and over here we have this option, the auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, which of course is great. The feature is great by itself, but in some cases I believe it can cause some issues, so you might want to disable it at least temporarily for some time in order to see if that makes any difference. There is also the dual channel network acceleration, which is also pretty good, but of course, just like in the case of the auto connect to the best Wi-Fi, it might cause some issues in very specific cases, so you can turn it off as well to see if it helps. Now, let me actually go back to more settings in order to see if there's anything else that we can, for example, disable, but it seems that it shouldn't. There is pretty much nothing left to talk about in here. So once we are done with these settings, and if you still have issues with the Wi-Fi, what you can do is you can just go to the main page of settings, and we're gonna go to System and Update. Then you choose Backup and Reset, and then over here we have the Reset Phone option. So now in here we have Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, and this includes Wi-Fi, as you can see over here. So you can reset all these three options, these three networks, so the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network, in order to then go back to the Wi-Fi and try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. Keep in mind that of course all these three things will be reset, so you want to make sure that you also reconnect to your Bluetooth devices, for example. And last but not least, actually two more things. The first one is that you can also just restart your phone, so you can use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to reboot your phone. Sometimes a simple restart of the phone can be quite helpful as well. But also another thing that I think is even more important is that for example, if you have another device at your home that uses the same Wi-Fi network, then you want to check if you have issues with the Wi-Fi, with the same Wi-Fi on that other device as well. If you do, then of course this might be the indicator that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with the Wi-Fi on your phone. So you might want to check that out and deal with that first. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.